In this video, we're going to be unboxing and installing the Asus TUF RTX 3070 Ti. That's with 8 gigabytes of VRAM. And throughout this video, I'm going to let you know my thoughts and opinions on the unboxing and installation process. Presented with the foam on the top. Right away we have the graphics card. Wow. For 3070 Ti, this thing is huge. Look at this. That heatsink is thick, and it's pretty heavy too. It's got the two 8-pin connectors. It's got your HDMI, your display port. So it's got two HDMI and then 3 display port. It's got a bracket right here that is tied into the PCB so that there's no GPU sag. We'll test that out later. So this is pretty bare bones for, like, you know, what you get. You just get the booklet, the manual, warranty information. So much protective plastic on this. Got the back plate. I had to go ahead and get this started. You want to remove the protective film. It's a little PCIe protective cover here. And it looks like there's little plastic pieces on each of the fans here as well. Yeah, so there's some right here. I guess we have to remove the stoppers. There's some more right here too. So right here we have the i5 11600K system, a Vitro V5 air cooler over that. We have 32 gigabytes of T-Force memory, so that's going to be 16 gigabyte DIMMs at cast latency 16. We also have the Asus Z590M, which is a micro ATX motherboard. And I also have a EVGA 850GA gold certified fully modular power supply. So what we're going to do next is fully install this graphics card. This is definitely more than a 2-slot graphics card. I would say this is definitely borderline 3 slots. So we're going to check and see how well this fits into the Musitek's MK7 micro ATX case, which is very compact. One thing I might add is that even though this looks like, and the full size of this card is 3 slots, there's only a 2-slot bracket. So yeah, you can definitely see there is a slight bit of sag right down here. This is a significantly heavy card, but it's in there and it fits well. There's definitely some gap so that the air can flow underneath. It fills out the case nicely. Alright, so I hooked up a power cable. Let's go ahead and see what this thing looks like all turned on and lit up. So at first glance, you could see on the lower right hand side of the graphics card that there's a TUF logo, but you can't see that because the PCIe power supply cables are covering it. So I'm just gonna position the camera so you can see that. Here's a better look at the logo. And I might say that it's not too overboard with RGB, and I kind of like that in a way. So up on the top right here, you can kind of see that there is venting. There's like a hole that goes through from the bottom and goes up. And this is just a massive heatsink. I have to say, my overall thoughts and opinions on this graphics card are quite good. I really do like the build quality. I like how very cool that this graphics card runs. The i5-11600K and the RTX 3070 Ti worked very well together. In fact, I would say that this is a very good pairing of internal components when it comes to gaming in general. So stay tuned for some more upcoming videos. I'm actually going to be taking all the internal components out of this Musatex MK7 Micro ATX case, and we're going to be installing those internal components into a different case. So stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to be doing some follow-up videos on the RTX 3080 Ti and this RTX 3070 Ti when it comes to gaming performance. As always, like this video if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.